are there. One is your this particular stock. Which one we have taken? The particular stock which we have taken. Which stock it is?
Equity.
Equity stock, but which company?
Tata Motors.
Tata Motors.
Very good. We have taken Tata Motors. I am writing here TATAMOTORS, Tata Motors. So likewise, suppose if I am taking another company, Mahindra and Mahindra. Why did I take Tata Motors and Mahindra? Can anybody tell me?
Both are vehicle producers. Both are vehicle producers.
Both are vehicle producers. Both are manufacturing which kind of vehicle? Which kind of vehicle? Heavy vehicles they are manufacturing. Trucks, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Trucks,
Yes, sir.
or even you can say they are also in the segment of manufacturing what? Cars, passenger vehicle, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Passenger vehicle, they are manufacturing passenger vehicle in the sense cars. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, अरे तुम्हारे से रेस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलने से मुझे लगता है कि आप लोग मैदान छोड़ के भाग चुके हो by this time. Are you getting my point? I think all of you have fled the class. Only very few people I am seeing it on the screen. None of you are not seen on the screen, and I'm really in dark whether you are inside the class or somewhere else you are doing what. Time and again I'm telling you same thing. You are making the same kind of mistakes. Okay. Now Mahindra and Mahindra. Supposing the Mahindra and Mahindra, if the average return comes out to be 2 point or 1 point, mean is here. Let us say mean is 5.13%. 5.13%. Mean return, average return, weekly return of Tata Motors is 1.50. Mahindra and Mahindra is 5.13. I ask you to choose out of these two assets, Tata Motors and Mahindra, two equity shares or two equity share assets or two equity shares. Which one will you choose?
Mahindra and Mahindra.
Why will you choose?
Because it has average return is very high than compared to Tata Motors.
Very good. Compared to Tata Motors, the average return is high of Mahindra.
Mahindra and Mahindra.
So that means what you said, I will go ahead with an asset which offers me highest return. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But remember always, if I ask you, all those who are very cricket follower, those who are following cricket, I'm asking them. If you are following cricket, which batsman will you like most? All of you must have seen the playing of Mr. Virender Sehwag and Rahul Dravid. Virender Sehwag and Rahul. You know these two players, all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you know these two players, those who must be following the cricket, Virender Sehwag and Rahul Dravid. Okay. Who is a good batsman? Can anybody tell me? Can there be an answer between these two? Who is a good batsman?
Sir, depends upon the format they're playing.
Depends upon the
Format. Test है या फिर ODI है?
Depends upon the format or depends upon the situation. Yes or no? So, but if you look at the Virendra Sehwag and Rahul Dravid, look at both these personalities. Which personality is more aggressive?
Sehwag.
Sehwag is more aggressive rather than Rahul Dravid. ठीक है ना नहीं? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now what shall I do? अच्छा, वनडे में ये दोनों खेलेंगे. Suppose Virendra Sehwag is playing right now. What you are thinking? What one should think, or what one must be thinking if he is playing? What is the general idea of anybody who is watching cricket while this person is playing his shot? What you must be thinking? Can anybody tell me? Those who are watching cricket.
So since Sehwag was the opener, so if he scores a good run in the scoreboard for the first few overs, then India might have a good score.
Who is saying this?
So Isha.
Arey Babare, Isa, you are telling like a professional, you can say, commentator. Okay. ठीक है. But what is the danger with this Virendra Sehwag? What is the danger?
So I don't remember because he used to play long back.
Long back. Can anybody tell me what is the danger associated with this player?
सर वर्ल्ड कप में 2011 के फाइनल में 0 में आउट हो गया था.
No. में आउट हो गए इसका मतलब नहीं कि खराब प्लेयर है.
नहीं खराब नहीं है सर, इनका मतलब डायनामिक है, कुछ फ्लक्चुएट करता है.
Bas, this particular word I wanted to extract from you. What you are saying? This is what? Huh? क्या बोल रहे हो आप? ये क्या है actually?
Fluctuating.
Fluctuating. Why you say fluctuating? Sometimes 100, sometimes 300, sometimes next match क्या हो जाएगा?
50 या फिर 0.
फिर 0. Suppose if you are scoring, suppose Virendra Sehwag is scoring first match 100, next match is 0, next match is 100, next match is 0. ठीक है? Rahul Dravid is scoring 50, 50, 50, 50. ठीक है? So if I want to find out average, if I want to find out the average runs scored, average, what is the average here? What is the average?
50
is equal to AVE, average 50. Same thing if I drag it to here. तो इसका क्या है average?
50.
50. Very good. This is 50 and this is 50. Average is same 50 and 50. But what you say here, what you see here in these two like column, what exactly you see? Which is more consistent, which is less consistent?
Rahul Dravid is
Rahul Dravid is more
More
consistent.
consistent.
Rahul Dravid.
Sehwag is quite inconsistent, even though the average is 50 and 50. So now what I need to say is, suppose somebody says that these are the two players, and by looking at these two average runs scored, you cannot take the decision whether this player is good or this player is good. Now you ask me, sir, give me some more information so that I can decide upon which is a good player. You give me more information. So what is that information? You need to see he is scoring 50 and how all these runs are scored, and here how these runs are scored. This is the average and this is the average. So now I'll find another thing to say who is good. क्या है? What is this? What is this? What I need to find out whether this person is good or this person is good? I need to
Standard deviation.
Standard deviation.
I'll try to find out the standard deviation. That means if this person is batting you must be feeling bit impatient. Yes or no? कब out हो जाएगा, कब out हो जाएगा, कब out हो जाएगा? Yes or no? Because this is fluctuating more. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For this person you are rest assured. ये out नहीं होगा, ये 50 बना के out होगा. ठीक है? तो कहां पे रिस्क ज्यादा क्या कहां पे है?
वीरेंद्र
यहाँ पे ज्यादा रिस्क है.
Virendra Sehwag.
यहाँ पे रिस्क होते, even though there is a risk, still he is getting selected. He is getting selected because there is a, if there is a risk, there is a what?
Return.
Return. चल गया तो
Return.
चल गया, चल गया तो चल गया. एक बार 200 लगा दिया, जैसे कि ईसा has already told, in the very first few overs, if more runs are scored or more runs are on the board, then there is every chance that we might win the game. Yes or no? So you have to take that much of risk to get some return. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then return तो हम निकाल लिए, average return हम निकाल लिए. In order to find out that risk, I have to take the help of a statistical measure that is known as what? That is known as standard deviation. This is known as my standard deviation. How the standard deviation will be found out, we'll see. And this is nothing but my measurement of risk. If I say A is equal to STDEV, standard deviation, I'm calculating in the Excel, then I'll show you how to calculate in T7 is equal to STDEV, sorry, STDEV. अच्छा, अब क्या क्या देख रहे हो? अभी क्या देख रहे हो? इसका स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कितना है?
57.73.
बट इसका स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कितना है?
0.
इसका स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन 0 है. That means if I ask you which is the risky one, if I don't give you anything here, I'll just take out everything here. I'll take out everything. Sorry, ये formula based है तो नहीं लेगा. I'll take out everything. I'm giving you these two figures only. One standard deviation is 57.73, another standard deviation is 0. Which one you say that is the risky one?
Sehwag one.
Sehwag.
Bus A. Asset is more riskier than this. Here my standard deviation is this much, 57. Here standard deviation is 0. So that means higher the return, better or not? If the return is higher, is it better or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if the standard deviation is high, will you like it?
No, sir.
No. The standard deviation should be low. As far as a financial asset is concerned, the standard deviation should be low. So that means you want to invest, right. You want to, or we want to invest in assets where the return is higher than the other assets, but the standard deviation is lesser than the other assets. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Standard deviation is lesser than the other assets. We will, you see, all of you know how to calculate the standard deviation of a you can say of a series. You must be knowing while you are studying the business mathematics. Do you know how to calculate the standard deviation? Hello. Standard deviation का मतलब क्या है? Standard deviation is how far the mean is how much here? The mean is how much in both the cases? Hello. In both the cases, what is the mean?
50.
50 and 50 mean. how much the mean is deviating from each and every observation in the series. Each and every observation in the series. How much the mean is deviating from each and every observation from the series. According the standard deviation is 57. But here the mean is 50 and each and every observation is 50, 50 and 50. So like that is the reason why the standard deviation is 0. Then how to find out here? So कैसे करेंगे अभी? Standard deviation कैसे निकालेंगे? आप देखो मैं निकाल रहा हूँ standard deviation. ये रिटर्न को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एवरेज रिटर्न और अरिथमेटिक रिटर्न, whatever the return you have found out, average return or arithmetic return. Average return you have found out. Hello. Summation I equal to 1 to n xi divided by n. ये फॉर्मूला है ना एवरेज रिटर्न का. डिड यू गेट माय पॉइंट? हेलो.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Summation I equal to 1 to n xi divided by n. So I equal to 1 to the n means how many observations are there here in this Tata Motors? How many observations are there? 6. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Summation of 6 observations divided by total divided by n. Here. Divided by n. That is number of observations. Hello. ठीक है. तो अभी स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन निकालेंगे. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कैसे निकालेंगे? SD स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कैसे निकालेंगे? हेलो
Sir,
वेरिएंस करेगा.
sir, root under submission of all the means.
Summation of I equal to 1 to n.
So all the mean into
Square divided by
the number of observation.
observation minus 1. Correct? Hello. N
Yes,
minus 1. N minus 1. So how the standard deviation is found out here then? Root over of I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar square. That means how far, I'm repeating, how far each and every observation is from the mean. Take the square, add all of them, take the divided by n minus 1, then root over. Correct? Hello. Got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got this
Yes, sir.
formula written on your copy? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right now we will find out the standard deviation of Tata Motors here. Get your calculator and copy ready. And find out the standard deviation of Tata Motors here. प्राइस क्या था मुझे बताओ. bar. So x bar क्या है? x bar is my what? x bar इसको डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर कर दो, इसको डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर करो, x minus x bar square. ओके, बताओ ईच एंड एवरी वैल्यू क्या होगा मुझे बताओ, x minus x bar square कैसे होगा? तुम्हारा x bar कितना है? x कितना है तुम्हारा? ए सॉरी 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 मैंने 5.16%. रिटर्न का कैलकुलेट करो 5.16 6.28 6.28 5.71 5.71 minus 0.8 minus 3.53 minus 3.53 and minus 4.17 minus 4.17. X bar is how much? 1.50. 1.50. अभी मुझे बताओ x minus x bar कितना होगा? एक एक करके मुझे बताओ और फिगर मुझे दो. बताओ कितना होगा? हेलो कितना वैल्यू आ रहा है? हेलो
13.39
हाँ
13.39 फर्स्ट का.
फर्स्ट फर्स्ट होगा 13.39.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
ओके 13.39. नेक्स्ट का
22.84.
कितना?
22.84.
वेरी गुड 22.84. नेक्स्ट
13.46.
1 1
13.46.
13.46. yes next
3.72.
କେତେ ଲାଗିଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସିମ୍ପଟ କିନା ଲାଗିଲା ବହୁତ ଜୋର ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗୁଛି ତ ବନ୍ଦ ହିଁ ହଉନି ହଁ next is how much next is how much hello बताओ बताओ बताओ
Sir, 3.72.
3.72. You are calculating, you are giving me the figure. I don't know anything. Next is
Sir, 25.30.
25.30. Next. बोलो बोलो नेक्स्ट का कितना होगा?
Sir, 32.14.
32.14.
Yes, sir.
32.14. अभी सबको क्या करेंगे?
Add.
Submission.
ऐड करो, सबको ऐड करो, कितना आ रहा है? कितना आएगा बोलो?
110.85.
110.85। ये 110.85 को डिवाइड करेंगे किससे?
5
हाँ
5 से
5.
5 because it is n-1 डिवाइड करो 5 से, कितना आएगा?
22.17
22.17। इस 22.17 का क्या होगा?
रूट ओवर
रूट
सॉरी
ओवर।
रूट अंडर
कितना आ रहा है? हेलो
सो 4.708
708.
4.08%. Hello, got my point? All of you could able to do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you did it or not?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे देखेंगे SD standard deviation, STANDARD standard deviation। यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन है इज इक्वल टू STDEV आया ना? आपका आया फिगर, आया स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन
Yes, sir.
C4 C9, यस C4 से C9 तक 4.80। आपने कितना बोले थे मुझे? 4.08
4.70.
और 4.70।
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके 4.70 4.70। तो आपका अभी आ गया कितना? हमारे स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन सबने निकाले या नहीं निकाले? ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गॉट द प्रोसेस ऑफ फाइंडिंग आउट द स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन और नॉट? अर्पिता, अक्षिता, अप्सना, चैतन्य, nobody is
yes sir
got how to find out? अब्रनील हो गया? अब्रनील
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. हो गया, हो गया।
हो गया, very
हाँ
good।
सर, हो गया। हेलो।
हाँ 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 ठीक है,
हो गया सर।
ओके। अभी मेरा एवरेज रिटर्न क्या आया टाटा मोटर्स का? 1.50। हेलो, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन कितना आया? 4.80।
4.80.
Very good. So that means this is the way I have found out the average return of an asset and standard deviation of an asset, that is 4.80. Now I cannot take a decision by finding out the Tata Motors average return and standard deviation. I have to take the help of, and I have to calculate the return and risk of another asset to make a comparison and to take a decision. That is the way we find out here. The way we find out here between two players who is good, we have to take the help of average and the standard deviation. So average cannot give us a clear picture. The moment you find out the average, immediately you find out the standard deviation to take a correct decision whether you will go ahead with this player or this player. Otherwise, if you go ahead with the Tata Motors and Mahindra. Okay. So for that reason, what I need to do, I'll go to the Mahindra and Mahindra. I'm saving this one for your yes, save, or not right now. Let us go to another one, that is Mahindra and Mahindra. होम, चलते हैं होम को। महिंद्रा, MAHINDRA, महिंद्रा, महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा लिमिटेड इक्विटी, M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. I'll go here. Where I'll go to get the data? Where shall I go?
Trade information.
Historical data.
Huh?
Historical data.
Historical data. You go to the historical data and you find out the price from what to what we have got, from which date to which date we have got. 18 से 27.
27.
Okay. 18 से 27. Eighteen से 27. Let us go ahead with this one. Values 18 से 27. 18 से 27. अब लिख लो 18 से 27 वैल्यू लिख लो। क्या क्या वैल्यू है? 18 का वैल्यू कितना है? लिख लो यहीं पे, अपने खाते पे लिखो। 18 कंट्रोल C, control V, control V, closing price, OSING, closing price, यहाँ पे भी मैं लिख देता हूँ closing price, ठीक है। क्लोजिंग प्राइस थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लिख दो। 18 जनवरी का कितना है? अब ये हैव यू रिटन ऑल दिस 18 जनवरी टू 27 जनवरी, ऑल ऑफ यू? हेलो, हैव यू रिटन इट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us go to the price. Quickly you write the price. 18 January, 27 January. 18 जनवरी का क्लोजिंग प्राइस कितना था? हेलो, अरे 18 जनवरी का क्लोजिंग प्राइस
09.
809.
हाँ
809.
लिखो जल्दी। 809, 809, then 808.5, 809, 808.5। नेक्स्ट 20th जनवरी का कितना था?
824.
हाँ 824.5, 824.5। देन 21st जनवरी का कितना था?
808.
0.25.
लिखो 808.25। देन नेक्स्ट का था कितना? 798.40,
798.4.
798.4। नेक्स्ट डे का कितना है?
794.55.
हाँ 794.55, सॉरी 794.55। ओके, देन 27 जनवरी का था कितना? 27 जनवरी का 769,
95.
769.95.
ठीक है 769.95, सॉरी 95, वेरी गुड, ये आ गया। तो अभी रिटर्न निकालो, अभी जल्दी रिटर्न निकाल के मुझे दे दो क्विकली as possible, because we have only 10 minutes left to finish the class. We'll finish it and we'll go. रिटर्न जल्दी रिटर्न मुझे दे दो क्विकली। कितना रिटर्न होगा यहीं पे? हेलो, अरे कोई तो बताओ कितना रिटर्न आएगा ना, कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो आप लोग? हेलो, कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो? Can anybody tell me what is the average return? What are the returns of Mahindra and Mahindra? अंशिका, अर्पिता अग्रवाल, कुलजीत, मनसीता, अफरीन सुल्ताना, मृणाल, सब बंद कर दिया आप लोग अभी अपना वीडियो। क्या अमरनील बोलो यार।
सर पहले वाला का होगा -0.06,
-0.06,
सर सेकंड का 1.9 होगा।
1.97,
हाँ
1.87.
7%। नेक्स्ट
1.9 आ रहा है सर सेकंड का।
माइनस होगा
माइनस, वो बोलो -1.9%। यस, नेक्स्ट
798.4 minus 08.25, -1.21,
-1.21%। हाँ, नेक्स्ट
-0.48,
-0.48%। हाँ,
-3.09,
हाँ,
-3.09 लास्ट वाला।
कितना लास्ट वाला, कितना माइनस?
3.1 कर दीजिए सर, -3.1 कर दीजिए।
Okay, -3.1%। Okay, so let us see. I have already found out here through the Excel. Are you getting perfect? Very good. 1.22%, 1.97%, 1.98%, 0.06%. These are the returns. Average return निकालो। Average return
1.4745 कुछ।
average आप बोल रहे हो
1.45।
1.45%। Very good. 1.45%। 5 कर देते हैं, is equal to average average। yes,
सर माइनस में आएगा ना?
तो आप मुझे जो बोले मैं उसको लिखा यहीं पे, आप मुझे बोल
सर
रहे
माइनस आएगा, एवरेज रिटर्न तो माइनस में आएगा।
हो तो सब तो माइनस है, तो आपका तो माइनस ही आना चाहिए ना। ओके,
सर वही तो बोल रहे सर।
हाँ, तो कितना आएगा रिटर्न, कितना आएगा एवरेज रिटर्न, कितना आएगा?
हाँ सर ठीक है, -0.82 ठीक है।
-0.82। somebody who was found out 1.45 is wrong, huh? Is equal to sum this one, sorry, is equal to sum this divided by 6.80 -0.80 clear? Okay, -0.81%। अभी उसी हिसाब से स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन निकालो, कितना होगा स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन? ऑल ऑफ यू कैन फाइंड आउट द वे आई हैव टोल्ड यू टू फाइंड आउट द स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन। हेलो,
यस सर।
ओके, निकालो उसको, आप निकालो, मैं अभी एक्सेल से निकाल देता हूँ। इस TDEV, standard deviation, V 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ये तो मेरा एवरेज हो गया. Yes. Standard deviation. My standard deviation is how much here? 1.74%. ठीक है? Hello, all of you look at it. I have already tabled. I have got in a tabular format. What is the average return of Tata Motors? 7 days. 7 days daily average. How much is the 7 days daily average of Tata Motors?
1.50%.
Okay. What is the daily average? The daily average of what? Mahindra and Mahindra?
Minus 0.81.
Minus 0.81%. Standard deviation is 4.8%. Standard deviation is 1.74%. But if I ask you to choose between these two assets, financial assets known as Tata Motors, or two stocks, Tata Motors and Mahindra, which one will you choose?
So Tata Motors.
Why?
So because the average return is more here, and also the standard deviation.
रुको कौन बोल रही? Who is saying this one?
So Isha.
Isa, tell me, average return is 1.5. You are very correct. Out of these two stocks, one stock is giving you more return, that is 1.50, another is giving you negative return. So if I take out standard deviation, suppose if I don't say anything about the standard deviation, on the basis of average return, which asset will you choose? Obviously Tata Motors.
Tata Motors.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because the average return is positive and that is more than the Mahindra and Mahindra. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी मैं तुमको ये थोड़ा ले लेता हूँ. I am not giving you this figure. I am not giving you this figure. I am only asking you to give me standard deviation, give your view only looking at standard deviation. That is 4.80, 1.74. Which asset will you choose?
So Tata Motors.
Mahindra and Mahindra.
Mahindra and Mahindra.
Why Mahindra and Mahindra?
Because the standard deviation is low there.
Low. Standard deviation is low. There means which one is low?
The risk.
The risk is low. Very good. Very good. The risk is low. So that means we are basically choosing asset which are having less standard deviation and higher return. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody was asking something? I am now stopping at this point. I'll send you some material. I'm just saving also this.
Excuse me. So if the average return is more, so then we have the benefit. Why we will go to standard deviation then?
Acha. That is the reason why I gave you an example of these two players, Isa. I gave you example of these two players. Only don't
Yes.
say that. Only you do not go by the return. If you go by the return, then you have to look into the associated risk with that asset. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Acha.
if there are So
Tell me.
if the equity shareholders are there and they prefer more risk, like they like going with more risk, then they should go with Tata Motors then.
Acha, very good. Because you are saying that risk is high, return is high. You are saying this one.
Yes, sir.
So obviously some investors are there, but on an average, the investors are like, what kind of investors are, or what kind of what we are exactly. We want more return. We want more return with
Less risk.
less risk. Very good. These are all you can say these investors or the rational investors. These are called rational investor. These rational investors want more return with less risk. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ. Isa, if I ask you to jump from 1 foot to the ground, 1 foot to the ground, and I ask you to pay something to some amount, will you jump?
So
I'll-
1 foot to the ground.
1 foot from 1 foot height to the ground.
Yes, sir.
Is it a risky affair for you?
No, sir.
No. Now, if I ask you to jump from 10 feet,
So it is risky.
it is risky. The moment you jump from 1 feet to the ground, you are asking me, sir, how much return will you give me? I said that only 10 rupees. You are ready with that? Or 50 rupees? You are ready with that? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, I am increasing the height to the 20 feet. And I ask you that I will pay the same 50 rupees. Will you ever jump?
No, sir.
No, because you are taking a higher risk. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So natural tendency is what? If I take a higher risk, I must be compensated with a higher amount of return.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I say that I will pay you 50 lakh if you jump from the 10 feet height. Will you ever take the risk? Think and tell.
So maybe,
Maybe. If I said 1 crore,
maybe, I don't know.
so that means what? The moment you say maybe, some amount of thinking is going into your mind. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that means you are what you are thinking. You are thinking I'll take a risk of jumping from 10 feet height, but will I be ever convinced with only 50 rupees? I must be compensated with a higher amount. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when the risk goes up, naturally the investor's expectation of getting a higher return will go up. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next class we'll see more, we'll have more discussion on this. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hope you have understood whatever you discussed today. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go to the attendance part.